In this video, we're going to look at some quick worked examples of expanding brackets. Let's start off with a set of double brackets. We might, for example, have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. What we want to do is expand and simplify the double brackets. One method we can use is FOIL. FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. There are a range of different methods. This is just one of them. So for first terms, we're going to have x multiplied by x. X multiplied by x will give us x squared. Then we're going to multiply the outer terms. So it's going to be x multiplied by the positive 2, which will give me plus 2x. Then I'm going to do the inner terms. That's going to be plus 1 multiplied by x, which will give me plus x. And then the last terms. That's going to be 1 multiplied by 2, both are positive, so we're going to have now plus 2. So we've expanded. All we need to do is simplify. We can see now that we've got 2x plus x, so collecting like terms, we're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 2. So we've expanded the brackets and simplified our answer. Let's do another one. Let's say we've got x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 4. So if we do the first terms, x multiplied by x, that will give me x squared. Then we're going to do now the outer terms, which is going to be x multiplied by 4. Both are positive, so we'll have plus 4x. Then we'll do the inner terms. We've got 3 times by x. 3 is a minus, so we'll have minus 3x. And finally, we've got 4 times by 3. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Therefore, we're going to get negative 12. If we collect the like terms, we'll have x squared plus x minus 12. So we've expanded and simplified. We might get an example where we have a coefficient in front of the brackets. So for example, we might have 2 lots of x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 4. What I'm going to do is multiply out the double brackets and then multiply through by 2. So what we're going to have then is 2 lots of, and then we're going to have x multiplied by x, which will give us x squared. We will have x multiplied by 4. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so we'll have minus 4x. We'll have the 1 multiplied by x. 1 is negative, 1 is positive, so it'll be negative. And then finally, we've got 2 negatives. That'll give us a positive answer. We're going to have 1 times by 4, so we're going to get plus 4. So if I just tidy this up, we're going to have 2 lots now of x squared minus 5x plus 4. I'm now going to multiply through by the 2, so we'll have 2x squared minus 10x plus 8. So I've expanded and simplified, and that now is my final answer. Let's look at another one. Let's say we had a plus b multiplied by a plus b. You might see this written as a plus b all squared. So we might see this as a plus b all squared. If we expand this out, we're going to get a multiplied by a. That's going to give me a squared. Both are positive. A multiplied by b, both are positive, which will give me ab. Then we're going to have b multiplied by a, again, both positive, which will give me ba. And then finally, b multiplied by b, both are positive, so we'll get b squared. We can tidy this up. ab is the same as ba. So we can write this as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So I've expanded and I've simplified. Let's look at another one. Let's say we have x plus y multiplied now by x minus y. If we do the first terms, x times by x is going to give me x squared. And then we're going to have now minus xy. So minus xy. We're going to have plus yx. And then we're going to have minus y squared. If we want to tidy this up, we can see now that these two middle terms are going to cancel each other out. xy and yx are the same. If we got a plus and minus, they will cancel each other out and we'll be left with x squared minus y squared. This is what we call the difference of two squares. X plus y multiplied by x minus y will be x squared minus y squared. Let's try one more. What we're going to have this time is x multiplied now by x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 5. So what I'm going to do here is expand the brackets and then multiply through by the x. So we'll have x, then expanding the double brackets, we'll have now x times by x, which will be x squared. We'll have x multiplied by the 5. One is positive, one is negative, so we'll have minus 5x. Then we'll have the 4 times by the x, both positive, plus 4x. And then finally 4 times by 5, one is positive, one is negative, we're going to have minus 20. So if we tidy this up, we're going to have now x, and then inside the brackets we will have x squared minus x minus 20. So multiplying through by the x times by x squared is x cubed. X times by minus x will give me minus x squared, and x times by minus 20 will be minus 20x. So we've expanded and simplified to give our final answer. So there are some quick worked examples of expanding brackets.